The fear of failure is lying to you. Here is how to beat it. Imagine this: you are standing at the edge of a cliff. Below you, success, freedom, the life you have always dreamed of. But between you and that life is fear. It whispers, what if you fail? What if everyone laughs? What if you are just not enough? Here is the truth: fear is a liar, and today I will show you exactly how to silence it forever. You are not failing, you are learning. When was the last time you failed at something? Maybe it was an exam, a business, a relationship, or just life. And what did you do? You probably labeled yourself not good enough, not smart enough, not lucky enough. But let me ask you this: did you really fail? Or did you just learn? Think about Thomas Edison, the person who failed 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Imagine if he had stopped at last attempt. We would all be sitting in the dark questioning our life choices. And let's be honest, how many of us quit after one failure? Oh, I didn't get a job. Guess I will just live in my mom's basement forever. Great plan. Failure is not real, it's just feedback. And the faster you fail, the faster you learn. But if failure is not real, why does it feel so terrifying? Your brain is playing tricks on you. Did you know your brain is still stuck in caveman mode? Back in the day, if you failed, meant that you hunt wrong, you starved, you picked the wrong tape, you are barefoot. But today, the worst thing that happens is you get a bad grade, a rejection email, or someone laughs at your startup idea. Your brain is lying to you. It's treating rejection like a saber-toothed tiger when really it's just a bump in the road. That's why you hesitate. That's why you don't apply, don't start, don't take the leap. But here is the crazy part: the people who succeed are not fearless, they are just better at ignoring fear. But if I told you there is a way to make fear work for you instead of against you, turn fear into your superpower. Most people let fear stop them. But successful people, they use fear as a compass. If it scares you, it means you need to do it. Fear is not a stop sign, it's a green light. Next time fear kicks in, don't resist it. Feel it, accept it. Ask yourself, what's the absolute worst that can happen? Usually, it's nothing serious. What's the best that could happen? Fear is like an overprotective friend who never wants you to leave your comfort zone. You just have to say, thanks for the warning, but I got it. Remember, and if you do fail, congratulations. You are one step closer than the person who never even tried. So, what happens if you finally overcome the fear of failure? What does success really look like? If you want to know what true success actually means and what it takes to get there, click on this video right now, because trust me, the answer is not what you think.